Have you ever found yourself wondering if there could be alien artifacts on Mars? A provocative question, isn't it? Our fascination with the red planet has led us down a rabbit hole of speculation and curiosity. The quest for extraterrestrial life has sparked numerous theories, some more plausible than others. Yet, the allure of Mars and its secrets continues to captivate us. The allure is so strong, in fact, that it has led to numerous false positive claims, causing quite a stir within the scientific community. But what if, just what if, there was something more to these claims? Now let's delve into one of the most popular theories, the face on Mars. The face on Mars, an intriguing image captured by a NASA scientist that sparked a global debate. Picture this, a scientist poring over images of a region on Mars known as Cydonia, when suddenly something catches his eye. He leans in closer, reaches for a magnifying glass, and there it is. Unmistakable, unexplainable, undeniably. A human face etched onto the surface of Mars. This face, about a mile wide, featuring 2 eyes, a nose and a mouth, is situated a staggering 140 million miles from Earth. This discovery sent ripples of bewilderment across the globe, calling into question everything we thought we knew about our celestial neighbor. As if the face itself wasn't perplexing enough, it was surrounded by structures and formations that didn't quite fit the Martian landscape. They appeared to be pyramids, suggesting they were not simply natural formations, but structures that were intentionally built. But by who? Or perhaps more intriguingly, by what? This enigma sparked a frenzy of speculation. Was this face a message from an advanced civilization, now long extinct? Could it be a religious artifact, a testament to a forgotten Martian deity? Was it a solid structure, akin to the Great Sphinx of Giza, or did it hide secret chambers within, much like the Great Pyramid? As the theories proliferated, so did the questions. Yet just as the world was caught in the throes of this Martian mystery, NASA attempted to douse the flames of speculation. They claimed a second photograph of the area, taken shortly after the initial one, revealed the face to be nothing more than an optical illusion. An artifact of light, shadow, and our human propensity to see faces where none exist, a phenomenon known as pareidolia. But here's the catch. That second photograph? It doesn't exist. So we're left with a question as confounding as the face itself. Why would NASA lie? But what if I told you it's not what it seems? The answer might just lie in the other pictures, waiting to be unearthed from the Martian soil. NASA stepped in to clarify that the face was nothing more than an optical illusion. They attributed this to a psychological phenomenon known as pareidolia, a tendency for humans to perceive familiar patterns where none exist. It's the same reason we see shapes in clouds or a face in the moon. Our brains are hardwired to recognize faces, even where there are none. But here's where things get interesting. NASA claimed a second photograph of the area was taken, a photo that supposedly debunked the face, showing it as nothing more than a trick of light and shadow. However, skeptics were quick to point out that this second photograph, this definitive proof, was nowhere to be found. This fueled further speculation and accusations that NASA was trying to cover something up. The controversy surrounding the face on Mars didn't stop there. Conspiracy theorists began to question why NASA would lie about the existence of a second photograph. Was there something more to the face on Mars than met the eye? Was it possible that NASA was hiding evidence of an ancient civilization, or even evidence of life beyond our planet? The lack of the second photograph only deepened the mystery and spurred on the speculations. It seemed like the more NASA tried to debunk the face on Mars, the more fuel they added to the fire of conspiracy theories. So, what's the truth behind these images? The truth, as it often is less sensational, but no less fascinating. You see, the human mind is programmed to recognize familiar shapes in random patterns. This phenomenon is known as pareidolia, and it's something that happens to everyone, everywhere, all the time. It's why we see faces in clouds, animals in the stars, and even Elvis on a piece of toast. It's a survival mechanism, a way for our ancestors to quickly identify friends, foes, and potential dangers in their environment. Now, let's apply this knowledge to the face on Mars. When the Viking orbiters first sent back images of Cydonia, the low resolution and the angle of the sunlight created the illusion of a face. Our brains, doing what they do best, filled in the gaps, and voila, a mile-wide face looking back at us from the surface of Mars. But science, as it also often does, sought to unravel the mystery. Subsequent missions to Mars, equipped with advanced imaging technology, captured higher resolution images of the same region. The face, once seemingly so clear, began to fade. The eyes, nose and mouth were revealed to be natural geological formations, shaped by centuries of Martian weather and geological activity. What was once a face became a mesa, a common type of landform found on both Earth and Mars. So there you have it, the intriguing tale of the face on Mars. A tale that takes us on a journey from the realms of imagination to the grounded reality of science. A tale that reminds us of the power of perception and the importance of critical thinking in the face of the unknown. And most importantly, a tale that highlights the inherent beauty and mystery of our universe, even without the need for extraterrestrial architects. Before we wrap up, let's revisit the key points we discussed today. We explored the discovery of the intriguing face on Mars in the Cydonia region, a formation that sparked countless theories about extraterrestrial civilizations and advanced artifacts. We discussed NASA's response, debunking these theories by attributing the face-like appearance to an optical illusion known as pareidolia, created by natural geological formations. We also delved into the truth behind the images and the ongoing quest for signs of life on Mars. Next time you come across an intriguing image from Mars, remember, not everything is as it seems.